Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Oxnard. Local and long-distance movers near me. For customers looking for a great moving company in Oxnard in the South Coast area, 3 Movers is one of the best options out there. Here's more about the services that 3 Movers offers to private customers, companies, and even military. We are highly efficient and will deliver your cargo at the agreed time. Getting a quote when contacting us first will give you a clear idea of how long the shipment is going to take and how much you will spend. We maintain our prices low by having a streamlined network of service points and motivate each employee to keep the standards of our company high. If you need an urgent moving service or choose not to do the packing yourself, we can assist you with that. We also offer disassembly of furniture, packing and unpacking, loading and unloading. Even if your cargo needs special handling, we guarantee its safe arrival. Also, if you need to store a part of your items while moving, you can rent a storage space from us. Do you need to move to the same area or another city in California? We will handle your local move with the same professionalism and punctuality that we offer to all of our customers. Let us know if you need extra services like packing or storing your items. The shipment itself will be done in the shortest time possible and by always following safety regulations and the best practices. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oxnard moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.